Hello guys, my name is SIDAWATI PRABANDARI, name K2221076. I'm from Class B, English Education Department. In this video, I will introduce you to the sounds of English. Despite there being just 26 letters in the English language, there are approximately 44 unique sounds. Letters are written and sounds are spoken. So, one letter and letter combinations can represent more than one sound. For example, the letter Y represents 4 different sounds in the words yes, bye, baby, and gym. And the spelling EA represents 3 different sounds in the words beach, dad, and break. The study of sounds is called phonetics. And the sounds of the English language is also commonly known as phone. Talk about sound, there is such a thing as IPA. IPA, or International Phonetic Alphabet, is a set of symbols that represent phonetic sounds. The IPA is used to help us understand and transcribe different speech sounds from different languages. That's all for this video. I hope it helped you to learn about sounds of English. See you!